Utica, New York has a special place in upstate New York's food history, so we took a trip to explore the story of one of its most popular desserts, the Halfmoon Cookie. To get the whole story, not just half, we talked with some locals. Our first stop was to talk with Patrick Reynolds, Director of Public Programs at the Oneida County History Center, where he shared the historical origins of this beloved dessert.
Halfmoon Cookie, about that big. Chocolate on one side and vanilla buttercream ideally on the other. They are actually made right down the hill from here at Hemstraat's Bakery is the home of them. Supposedly since 1925. Been a sweet treat here in town. Other bakeries make them here, because it's popular.
To learn even more about the Halfmoon Cookie, we stopped by Florentine's Pastry Shop, which opened in the 1920s, to talk to Jordan Alicia. She's the third generation of the current owners of this family-run bakery.
A Halfmoon is a cake base cookie with a fudge icing and we use a Wilton frosting, which is a heavy butter base. Some people use traditional buttercream, which is going to be a shortening-based frosting.
And the recipes for these delicious treats are passed down through the generations.
The Halfmoon cookies, a lot of our staples have been the recipes we've used. So, as long as I can remember. Sure. I mean, the recipe book looks like it's falling apart.
It was also inspiring to learn that traditions and community are very much a part of the Utica story.
People find comfort in things they grew up with.
Sure.
So, a lot of our, the original people, that started this bakery passed it down to their kids who passed, you hear so many people coming here, oh, I remember when my grandma used to bring me in here when I was a kid, and I think owning it as a family and it going through the generations also, you see that with the customers too.
And Jordan was clear, it's not the same thing as a black and white cookie made popular in New York City.
The black and white cookie is actually going to be kind of like a shortbread, and then it's got just your typical cookie frosting. So it's just kind of like a powdered sugar, milk mixture.
Finally, we had to find out the most important question we could think of. Which side do you eat first?
Depends. I love the chocolate frosting.
Okay.
So I always eat the white side first because I prefer the chocolate frosting. So I want to finish out with what my favorite part is. Honestly, making them myself, sometimes I frost them one on top of the other. So then I get one, bite of each flavor.
Interesting.
If you ask my kids, they eat the chocolate side first.
Chocolate side first.
It's kind of personal preference, I think.
Okay.
I would probably eat the white because I like the chocolate best, but I save it for
last.
Some people don't.
Okay, all right. Either way you eat a Halfmoon, it's okay with us. So there's the story of the cookie that conquered Upstate. It's elegantly simple yet delicious. We think you'll love it. To celebrate this iconic dessert, we created an original cartoon character, which you can check out on all kinds of souvenirs and gifts on our website.